Hi, good afternoon. My name is William Bailey, and today we're going to talk a little bit about what is A+. A+ is a certification from CompTIA, which is a vendor-neutral certification. It's a group of vendors that have pulled their resources together to determine what materials technicians and IT people need to know to perform their jobs. It's used as a benchmark for service technicians. It has become a pathway to other certifications, and it's also part of the new DoD 8570.1 requirements. It's one of the ways you can meet those requirements if you're in the government or military space. A+ is actually a series of 2 exams. The first exam is referred to as Essentials. The goal with the Essentials exam is to get a technical understanding of technology, networking, and security, as well as communication skills and professionalism, the ability to take the definition and explain it to someone who's non-technical in terms that make sense to them. It also, in the second exam, changes the table to practical application, where it takes a hands-on orientation and expects the exam taker to know the routines or steps they would use to perform troubleshooting, what tools they would use to resolve problems. Service technicians, as a result, vendors often require this as mandatory training. CompuCom and RICO are publicly posted on the CompTIA website. HP, Computer City, CompUSA have used this as their criteria. Over 70,000 technicians since 1993 have become CompTIA certified, in part because they were required to as part of their job. As a result, some other certifications recommend or provide credit for the A+ certification. Other CompTIA certifications, such as the Network Plus, the Server Plus, and the Security Plus, recommend, though they don't require, that you take the A+ certification course. The exams, the Security Plus, the Server Plus, and the Network Plus, we'll see in a moment, come up again with the DoD requirements. Microsoft actually gives credits for the MCSE or the MCSE, which are the Microsoft Certified System Administrator or the Engineer certification tracks. The DoD 8570 requirements have become important. Any information technology personnel that are working on secured systems need to have certain certifications in order to be permitted or allowed to work on those systems. As you see, the A+ and the Network Plus are 2 of the first ones that someone can start off with. Security Plus builds on that, and then you'll see others such as the CISSP, the CISM, as well as the CISA, the CEH. These other certifications, while they don't require the A+ and the Network Plus, they build upon that expertise, taking the A+, the ability to understand the technology, and with the CISA, for example, is an auditor. Being able to audit that, you need to understand the underlying technology. So if you have further questions, want further information, come visit our website.